Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Since the Valentine's Day is around the corner and I thought of doing a makeup tutorial for this, and one more makeup tutorial is coming up, so stay tuned. And yes, let's start with the video. Today I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and going to mix it with Lakme Absolute. Now I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. Using L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact to set my foundation and concealer in place that there is no creasing at all the day. When I use this shade as a transition shade, using this shade on my outer V. Picking up the same shades on the pencil brush and going to apply it on my lower waterline to give nice and dewiness to the eyes. I'm going to use this shade on my inner corner. Using my finger, I'm going to place the shimmer shades on my lid, and when it comes to shimmery or the glittery shades, fingers are the best option to apply it because it gives you the minimum fallout. Using a blending brush, I'm going to blend out any of the harsh edges if left. Applying little more shade on the top of lid to get more intensified look. Going to apply this shade on my inner corner of eye and my brow bone. For liner, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven pencil. The liner is done and I'm going to apply lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. I'm going to use the Very Big blush on the apple of my cheeks. Highlighter, I'm using the same one that I have applied on my inner corner of eyes and my brow bone. And here is the star of the show, NYX lipstick I'm going to use today. If you like this tutorial, give it a big fat thumbs up and share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel. I have planned one more makeup tutorial for this Valentine's week and it will be coming really soon. So stay tuned and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.